Hey guys, what's going on? I got a quick video I'm going to do for you right now, just out of the fact that I ran into a problem on my boat that I was not able to find a quick and easy solution for. Maybe it's just me, but I had a hard time finding any information and video on my boat buzzer alarm, like when your temperature's too hot or your low oil is supposed to buzz and ring or let you know that you're low on oil or your temperature's high. It was out and my motor was not beeping, and I had a heck of a time trying to find any information on it. So I'm gonna make a small little video real fast on changing it out and what you need. So what you need, it's very simple. I ended up calling Tracker Marine. I have a Nitro Z9, and I had to call them because I was like, okay, I don't really know where to turn. So I described the part and they found a part number for me, and it's literally just this little tiny buzzer, 2 wires, purple and brown. And then it just came to me to locate said part underneath my console. So before I had no beeps, and now I have the beeps. So I'm gonna crawl under and show you exactly where this is, so you can find it if you have any questions or problems. Okay, so first thing, you gotta crawl into your boat, and if you're like me and you're lucky, you got an open dash underneath. Not every boat is like this. I wanna say Austin's boat, you have to undo some screws to get behind, so that might be a royal pain in the butt. But if you're lucky like me, it's all open and wiring underneath. So it looks a little confusing and like there's all kinds of stuff, but if you really just go to each gauge, you can find out what it is. So originally, I was turning my key and I would hear nothing. When you turn your key, you should hear a beep, but it's your motor going through all the sequence stuff, getting ready to be ran. So this is it working now. And it used to not beep. So that's exactly what I want, because that beep tells me that if there's low oil or temperature problems, it's going to beep at me and let me know that there's problems with my motor. And that was not working, so whenever I twisted my key, I got no beeps. So if something would have been wrong, I wouldn't have known it. Okay, so I see my key is here. It's real easy for me, so I'm literally just going to go directly over, and I just kind of follow the wiring is how I did this. And if you just kind of follow it, mine's decently organized, going through a lot of this piping, and I actually miraculously found it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to get this, but I have this nice mesh sock, and inside this mesh sock is this little piece with the brown and purple wire. So I was able to open up the mesh sock on the inside and access it, and sure enough, that this one right in here, that is the new one, and it has the same setup, brown and purple. So I just unplugged the brown and the purple wire and made sure I put them right back in and put the new piece in. Sure enough, as soon as I plugged it in, you get the beep. And it's really as easy as that. So I don't know if I just had a hard time finding it because there's not a lot out there on it, or if I just blew it and maybe there was a bunch out there and I just didn't see it. But I had a heck of a time trying to find it, so I thought I'd make a little video on it. So if your boat motor alarm beeper is out and you're looking for a new one, it's a simple, easy part. Call your boat dealer, and this part was like 21 bucks. $21 will save you a lot in the long run if you catch your motor before you seriously damage it with the alarm system. Strongly suggest, if yours is out, to replace yours. Very easy to do. That's all that's to it. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video and sum this up for you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you out there.